Hey, how's it going? This is Jay. And if you're a veteran, transition service member, military spouse, or dependent that's interested in getting in the cloud and earning a certification and landing a job free, I have a resource for you. Let's check it out.
Perfect.
All right. So we're going to head over to Google and type in cloud veterans. So on this site, the first page, you'll see the different platforms that they support. So they have cloud for Google, they have AWS and Azure. It has a little bit of information about success stories. They have some upcoming information about veteran resources, and so you can tap into that. You want to go over to, you're going to want to go over to where it says boot camp. And so here's the different boot camps that they have. They have an Azure boot camp, and they talk about which certification it is. So this is fundamentals here. You can click on more to learn more about each of them. This is Azure Administrator, and this one is Infrastructure Solutions. Then you have AWS in the second row. You have Cloud Practitioner, Solutions Architect, and you have Solutions Architect Professional. And then for Google, you have Essential, you have Associate Cloud Engineer, and Professional Cloud Architect. They also have some Microsoft AI in here. And then also Microsoft M365. You can either click here where it says apply or go to apply now, either or. It'll all take you to the same spot. And then you fill in your information, which is your name, your LinkedIn, proof of service, and then why do you want to join in a headshot. The FAQ is pretty good. It provides a good breakdown on what they provide and the commitment. So if you're not too sure, I would definitely check this out first just to see what you're getting into. Yes, the certifications are free. There is a commitment. Yes, you have to commit about 2 hours a week, and you have to complete the certification within 90 days. Classes are held virtual, and they're on demand. So it's your own self-paced. You can use Pluralsight, which is an awesome site for it. What else is a good one to click on? You can pursue multiple certifications, and the certifications that it has in here are listed. And so you can take advantage of any one of these certifications. And then once you complete one, you can apply for another certification. And then the type of jobs it lists. So if you're interested in becoming a DevOps or cloud engineer, if you're interested in system administration or cloud solution architect or technical support specialist, all those jobs are jobs that they've helped some of their candidates go through. And they say it typically takes about 3 to 6 months after you complete the certification. You don't need any prior experience. You can start this from scratch and you just apply for the program, just how you see it here. And so anyone can take advantage of this. That's part of the military community. But if you are a veteran, and you want your spouse to take advantage of this, you would have to go through the program first, and then you can refer your spouse or your dependents. So you can come here to where it says impact, and it has some good information on their impact. Talk about the number of folks they've served, the resumes that they've helped, and interview preps that they've conducted, the mentorships that they've provided, and certifications that they've given out, and then job placement assistance that they've provided for people who successfully landed jobs. So great site to check out, Cloud Veterans. Let me know in the comments what you think. Please share this resource, and I look forward to sharing more resources with you. Have a good one, everyone.